Are we live? Are we live? Good morning, chat. Testing. 1, 2. Here we go. Good morning, everybody. I believe we are live. Good morning, Trader 007, Sean Evans, Jorby Trades, Frosty Ducks. Good morning. Hey, you've got your Coke Zeros. Let's go. Good morning, Sue Trades. Good to see you. Timbo, Chad Holcomb, Micro Player. Good morning, Black Coffee. Good morning, Black Coffee. Let's go. It's going to be a good week. Jack Wiley, Tech 111, Nathan Hard, Matty Matt. Yo, what's up, Matty Matt? Did you see my golf spy ball testing for 2026? Yeah. It's so funny you say that, Matty Matt. Matty Matt, literally, I'm not joking. Right before I got on stream, that is what I was looking at. I was looking at the 2026 golf ball testing results. You know which ball I'm leaning towards? I think I'm going to lean towards the Vice Pro Plus. I'm at least going to try the Vice Pro Plus, see if I like it. Yeah. Hey, you had your best tourney at 92. Let's go. Good morning, Jim JB, Nathan Hard, Jack Wiley, and Tony. Good morning, Vat1. Timbo, Jim JB, good afternoon. All right, everybody, let's do this. Let's have a good week. Let's have a good, disciplined week. Good morning, John. Good to see you, John. How we doing? All right, we are, I think we're ready to roll. I am done trading my take profit accounts. I've locked out my Tradeovate accounts already. Locked in at $420 a day. I'm gonna be happy with that. And we are gonna switch to trading. Oh boy, I think we're gonna trade at the open here. We're gonna trade our trade day accounts. And I did reset those on Friday. And I got 1 day. I got 1 day in on those accounts. We need to trade those for 5 days. So we're going to do that at the open. Hopefully we can get a $1,000 day locked in on those. That is the plan. As far as the market, I'm kind of eyeballing the 680s. Like I want us to see, if we come down and test the 680s, I'm interested in longs here, the 680s. If we open, the market opens and we just rip this thing to like straight up, I'm probably going to jump in on some kind of little pullback. But I'm definitely bullish. And let's just see how the open goes. If we start dropping here, I'm going to wait for the 680s before I start buying. But if this just rips higher, I'm gonna jump in on a pullback. Let's see what happens. The market is open, chat. Let's do this. Full tilt futures. Full tilt futures. How we doing? Good to see you, man. Mike A. Oh, let's go. Doing well. Hope it was a good week. We did. I had a good weekend. Obviously, it's been a while. We were off on Thursday and Friday. Had a great wedding on Thursday. And Friday was great. Had a great weekend, though I will say the wife and the kids, I'm here alone in Ohio. I am here alone in Ohio. The wife and kids are officially in Florida, safe and sound. And it is the first day of school in Florida, so kind of sad. I'm a little bit sad not to be there, but we'll make I'm going to be going to Florida here in about 2 weeks, a little bit less than 2 weeks. I'll be going to Florida. So until then, I guess the next 2 weeks, we might do a lot of streaming. I don't know. I got some projects I need to finish up here before I go to Florida. So We shall see. Man, this market very sluggish here. Very sluggish. I think we're going to go lower. I think we're going to come test the 680s. At least I'm hoping. Let's see. A pretty meh open right now. Man, this market not doing much. Not doing much at all. Man, this looks like it wants. I feel like this is going to drop. I'm almost tempted to short this. Tempted, but I'm not going to do it. Seems like the market just wants to shop around here. Do the market, are the markets aware that it's 9:30? Hello? Hello? Everybody? Anybody there? Pretty weak opening so far. Party at Nutty's house. Oh, now there you're talking. Hey, Matty Matt, you had a front 942 and a 50 on the back nine, putting on the back, couldn't find a green. I know the feeling, Matty Matt. I need to get dialed. The Amish Open is less than 2 weeks away. I need to get some I need to get some practice in. I'm pretty my golf game right now my golf game right now not great. Just it's again my arch nemesis. It's off the tee. Just having a difficult time being consistent off the tee. Cannot seem to just not getting, I don't know. It's just, that is always my biggest problem, getting off the tee. But we're going to keep trying. Bring your own drone. Full tilt futures. Good morning, Ike. Hey, there we go. We're going lower. All right, 770s. I want to see what happens here, the 680s. I think we test the 680s. Here we go. See if we get a move lower. See if we get a move lower. I'm going to try to be patient here. There we go, 740s. Continuing lower. Just not much here. Not much here. I mean, I would not be shocked if this just rips straight up, but I'm going to try to be patient, wait for that 680 level. Just hoping this doesn't rip back up before I'm in. Hey, good morning, Cly. Good morning, Ace Undercover. How we doing? And trying to rip back up now. Trying to bounce off that 730 level. I really hope. Come on, don't do this, market. Don't rip now. You're supposed to wait for the 680s. You know what? One thing, I'm very proud of myself. I did not trade the like Thursday and Friday. Man, I've had many days where I had like an off day, but then I end up trading anyway, and I have some of my worst trades ever. So I'm pretty. I'm trying to. I know I keep saying this, so I say this. I say this very cautiously, and with my best intent in mind, I really, 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 really want to I want to keep these accounts I have for 3-6 months. I just need to be patient. I've got to be more patient, especially with these like Tradeify. We've got Tradeify accounts, Lucid accounts. All of these accounts are daily accounts. So we can take daily payouts, and I just have to be patient. When you have those daily accounts, obviously you need to get above the buffer. You have to get above the buffer, and it's always kind of been my Achilles heel. You try to rush to get above that threshold, and you go too, I go too big a size. I try to rush the process, and then boom, I blow the account. So like today with take profit, $400 a day, I'm just going to lock out. I'm going to lock out. If it takes me 2 weeks to get above the buffer, I got to be okay with it. We got to be okay with that. Not only does taking it slow help my overall trading, it also helps that I don't just cycle through accounts. Cycling through accounts is, I think, the worst. It's the worst feeling. All right, this market just cannot seem to get anything going. Man. Do something, market. All right, I want to see. Come on down. Come on down, market. I mean, we do kind of have a level here, the 740s, 730s, but I'm trying to be patient. Good. Hey, Patrick Town, trade them like they are 2K accounts. Yeah, I mean, I do. By the way, did you guys see Take Profit Trader increase their commissions on micros? Instead of 50 cents round trip, or no, yeah, round trip, instead of 50 cents, which was pretty easily the best in the industry, it is now $1.50. So they raised the commissions by 3x, which is kind of crazy. And yeah, I don't know, man. It does make me want to trade minis on this 150K account, but trading one mini is just kind of crazy. They gave some BS excuse. They're setting up for the nano contracts. Yeah, John, I know you always like them for that, but yeah, it's a little bit of a yikes. A little bit of a yikes, boys. Is what it is, but definitely something to keep an eye on. It definitely makes a difference. It definitely makes a difference. Hey, take care, Ace Undercover. Only excuse is traders have higher win rate with micros, so have to increase the rake. uh Okay, ball. Come on, market. You're supposed to test. It did test the 720s. Right now, this is just this is not looking very enthusiastic about moving higher. Right now, this market seems pretty sluggish. Not really interested in it. Hey, good morning, Design Knob. How's the weather over there? Getting a pretty big storm here? Oh, really? Hang on. There's no rain in sight here, Black Coffee. So it must just be over your area. Joom is in the building. Good morning, Dabda. Good morning. All right, market. Man, I was so excited to trade this morning, and now the market's barely moving. The market is barely moving. All right, we're just gonna be patient. I got all the time in the world, chat. We'll just wait it out. We'll just wait it out. We're gonna get what we want here soon. We just gotta wait. Coming from Southern California, so weird to hear people talk about raining today, tomorrow. We see rain in a few times during the winter, and that's it. That's crazy. Right now, right now in Sarasota, Florida, they are having some crazy rains. Like, I think it's rained like over 10 inches in the last 5-6 days. It's been crazy the amount of rain that Sarasota's been getting the last week and a half. Definitely, which Southern Florida or Sarasota was in a drought. They needed the rain, but now they're getting all of it in 1 month. Ooh, I hear the thunder, chat. It looks like the storm is coming. Hopefully we don't lose power. Man, see, this is technically this could be a good setup for a short, but maybe not. Maybe we get a move on. Maybe this is the rip higher. We got to get above that 800 level. Gotta get above that 800 level. Let's see if it can do it. Man, if I was looking for a short, this is where I would short. It is kind of tempting to short this. Right now I'd like to short more than I do longs. Yeah, I don't know. That could have been a trap for the longs, and now let's see if this dumps to new lows. It feels like a jungle down there in Florida this time of year. It does, Jay Wilson. Yeah. It's raining here in Michigan. Oh, I might actually take a short. If we get below this, I'm gonna take it. I wasn't really planning on taking shorts this morning, but if If we get filled here, I'm going to be okay with it. Got to get down below the 760s. Or if we can, I mean, if we rip above the 800s, get back above the 40s, get above the VWAP, then we can just look for a pullback and go long. Still waiting to fly into SRQ to see if you fly a real plane as well as Patrick Town. Let's hope we don't have to find out ever. All right, we are. I mean, this is kind of going higher. Above the 800s now, trying to get above the 810s. All right, I'm going to close this. We closed above the 800s, so it is looking bullish. We will not look for shorts. Man, this is some stagnant, slow price action compared to what we've been used to. We haven't even moved. We've barely moved 100 points. Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. When was the last time we saw Spieth and Thomas playing together on a Sunday? That was fun. Jorby Trades, it was. Oh, that was so much fun watching Jordan Spieth and Justin Thomas. Especially like they had like birdie, birdie, birdie. And I mean, I feel like Spieth played pretty well. So I don't know. He's still a long way away, but we can hope. We can hope. All right, market. Looks like we do want to go higher. We got to get above that 840s, though. We got to get above the 840s. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Yeah, and I just don't know that I. Hard for me to trust the longs here. Man, I'm so tempted to go short here. I'm going to do it. We're going to try a short. I'm not going to hold, though. If this rips, I'm just got to get out. Nope. Nope. Yeah, that's a... Whoa, what was that? What? That was dirty. What was that? Chat, was there news? I don't think there was news, right? That was crazy. That was crazy. Of course I stop out and now it's going to drop. Go figure. I'm going to just wait. Man, that's annoying. That is annoying. We had the right short and we just... it's unfortunate. Now it's difficult to enter back in. Stupid. That was unfortunate. Like, what was that drop? My goodness, that was crazy. Chat, that's annoying. That is so annoying. It was 10 to 15 points. Take it easy. Well, it wasn't even like how much, it was how it did it. It literally went from the 830s to the 800s. It was 30 points and it was straight. Like it was in one, it was just it was a dump, right? Straight reverse. That was Timbo passing 5 evals. That's what it was. That makes more sense. That makes more sense. Feel like there was news. I just don't know what it was. Okay, market, what's the plan here? This could just be a pullback and then we go higher. I'm chilling. As long as we trade in this little area right here, we're just going to wait. We got to be patient. Either we're going to drop and take out the 680s, or we need to get above this, basically get above the 840s. Hey, Cost D1, good morning. Hoodie Trader, good morning. Just trade the range. It's too easy. I was bored over the weekend, and I went to one of those t-shirt designing websites, and I was making a t-shirt that said, "It's too easy." I didn't order it though. I want to order one though. It's too easy. And then do one that says, "Rip it." Let's see. Come on, let's make new lows. Do it. You don't have Nutty merch? I don't, Frosty Ducks. We're not famous enough to have merch, chat. I'm sorry. Well, if I would do it, I think I would do the t-shirts and do it like as giveaways. Instead of giving away accounts, I'll give away t-shirts. Why does this have to be so easy? Good morning, Max90. Rosie Rose. Good morning. Happy Monday to you. Let's make it a good Monday. So far, it's not bad. We need to recover these trade day accounts, but man, this market is not very, this market doesn't look great. Does not look very enticing. You would rather have an account? Oil straight up. Gold is going lower. Oil, wow. Whoa. What a rip. What a rip on oil. Man, I'm shocked that NQ isn't selling off more. You would think with oil like that, NQ would be pulling back more. Interesting. Interesting indeed. Also, NQ daily chart. Today is going to be kind of important. Like, I feel for the bulls to really be in control. The bulls need to get this market and close above the 30,080 level. If we can close above 30,080 today, you know, I think we're in for some new all-time highs. If not, this thing just might, I don't know, might get choppy. And now we're going higher. Oil going higher, NQ going higher. Why not? Why not, chat? Let's go. Let everything go up. Everything. Oil goes up, NQ goes up, gold goes up, everything goes up. Crazy. we need to win the war again. We need another peace deal. We need another peace deal for the 433rd time. This is the peace deal number 433. You love to see it. Come on, market. This is so bad. Oh, sorry, I was muted. First mute of the session, chat. Don't worry. Nobody got hurt. I was just talking to myself about what golf balls I'm going to use this. I think I'm going to buy. I'm going to test I'm gonna try out the Vice Pro Plus balls. 10-degree launch, spin rate. Man, it's hard to pick a ball. It's hard to pick a golf ball. We got to get above the 840s. I am not going to trade this market until we get out of this range. We got to get going. We got to get above that 840. Come on. Just do it. Max Fly Tour X. That's actually a pretty decent looking ball. And we're pulling back again. Oh my goodness. This thing is going to take forever. Can we break out? Come on. When you have a bad shot, you always blame it on the new ball. That's right, Jorby. You've used Vice about 10 years ago. The Titleists are what I use around $40. Yeah, I know. I mean, the Pro V1s are by default, I always use the Pro V1s. I just feel like, I don't know, from what I have used, the Pro V1s around the green, it's hard to beat it. It is really hard to beat it, but I'm always willing to try new things. I'm willing to try some new things. I want to test some balls, and I don't know. TB5X is my go-to. Okay, yeah, I've used the TB5X as well, Cly. I don't mind it. I don't mind them. Why does your total account say 36, but it only adds up to 33? Oh, these three accounts, hang on. I must not be totaling the trade day accounts. Let me see. Let me see. Trade day. Yeah, I don't have anything totaling up the trade day accounts. Hey, there we go. There we go, max profits. Oh, look at this. We got a break above the 840s. Let's go, chat. Yay, good job, market. You did it. You did it. I'm so proud of you, market. All right, now maybe. See if we can, let's see if we can get a pullback here. A 48 pack of golf balls. 119 divided by 48. $2.50 per ball. Come on, man. Come on, man. Killing me. Ooh, limited time. Buy 2 for 70. Huh. All right, 870s. Now we just got to get a pullback. We just need a pullback. Watch now. It's not even going to give me a pullback. Come on, man. I would love to see a pullback into this 840 area now. Of course, we're just going to go straight up, huh? Well, what are we going to do about it? We're going to get a pullback. Don't worry. We're going to get a pullback. I need a Titleist rep in the chat. The Wilson staff duo, but my go-to is always the Titleist Tour. Oh, you like the Titleist Tour soft? Oh, not in yellow, Jorby. MVP Mikey, you're at version 15.0. Well, I might be there soon. Don't worry. Come on, market. Give me a pullback. Come on. Well, Jet. Come on, man. Really need a pullback here. Just come down. It's going to grind higher with no pullbacks. Come on. Red 300 on my Apex account locked out for the day. Green on evals. Yeah. Hey, it's only 300 Sue trades. You got this. It's fine. Nobody's hurt. Have you tried the Snell MTB X balls? No, I have not, Jorby. Is oil still ripping? Let's see. Oops, here. Oil is kind of, it's slowed down. It's chopping now. Okay, market, really? Whoo, this is getting frustrating. We tested the 900s. Maybe we get this pullback now. Now give me the pullback. We got to get a pullback off this 900 level, you would think. Come on. You know, if I buy this micro pullback, if I buy the micro pullback, this thing's going to dump. I know it, you know it, we all know it, so I'm not going to do it. Oh, come on, market. I'm dead seriously thinking about going long all the way up here. Come on, pull back. Come on. At least give me like the 860s. My patience is running thin. There we go. Now let's go. Is this gonna pull back now even more? We're sticking to it. Let's keep it. We're gonna let's get this back above the 900s. Back above the 900s. Let's go. Oh, this is gonna be frustrating if this. I mean, we gotta hold the 840s. 840s is kind of our point of. Just rip it. Just rip it right back up through the 900s. It's not that hard, man. I could be wrong, but it appears the market only goes up. Facts. Hey, good morning, Tate. We're going to hold. We are going to hold. Come on, market. Rip it. Rip it. Come on, go. Straight up, boys. Straight up. Rip it. Come on, go. Yes. You can do it. Go, 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 go. You can do it. Rip it. I feel like I should maybe take my profit right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Market saw my target and it immediately was scared. Come on, don't let this go against me all the way back. Come on. That was not a good sign. Why are Tradeify payouts so slow? Feels like really, what do you mean by like how slow Sacred Stonks? I didn't know they were slow. I didn't think so. But unfortunately, I haven't gotten a Tradeify payout in almost a year, so what do I know? Are you serious, market? Are you kidding me? We totally got faked out on that. Now go higher. Now go higher. That's it. You trap the shorts. You trap the longs first. Now you trap the shorts. And now rip it higher. Come on. I think NQ wants to be read today. Kind of does feel a little bit like that. Feels a little stagnant. NQ definitely, I don't know, market feels pretty Market feels eerily calm. Uh-oh. I'm going to look to add here at the 840s. If this doesn't hold, we are going to be in trouble. 840s is going to be the last chance. Come on, let me add. Oh no. Okay, this is it. This is it, chat. We gotta get a rip here. Oh no. Are you serious? Oh, can't believe it. Man, I don't know that I like this. Go. I don't like it. We gotta get out. Oh my goodness. At 840 did not hold. Jeez, what are we doing, market? Right back into that 15-minute range. Not what I wanted. Not what I wanted at all. Not cool. When do nanos start? I don't even know. Yeah, we're going to have a new challenge. How fast can I get liquidated with nanos? Oh, really, market? Now you're going to go? Oh, very, very funny. Are you serious? That is... Ah, man, we are getting bamboozled today. Jeez. That is so annoying. How was the wedding? Hey, the wedding was great, Captain Crunch. Wedding was awesome. It was a little bit on the warm side, but it didn't rain. It was beautiful. It was a beautiful wedding. All right, market 840s back. I mean, all right, last chance, last ditch effort. Hello? Last ditch effort at the longs. This has got to go. This has got to go right here. Come on. I mean, this looks so bullish here on this candle. Come on, you gotta go higher. We gotta go higher, right? Don't do it. Don't do it. Did Nutty add another wife? Didn't know the Amish were like more. What do you mean, Tate? What are you talking about? Rip it. That's it. Go. Come on. Come on. Oh, you mean talking about the wedding? Tate, that was my niece's wedding. Okay, go. Keep going. Really need to get it back above this 880s. Come on. Come on. Don't fake out again. Starting to get annoyed. Feels like I'm getting faked out on every single move. Rip it. Tate. Okay, right here. Pop it. Pop it above the 70s. Go. Go, 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 go. Man. Come on. Come on. Feel like I should close this almost, but go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Keep pushing. Keep going. I feel like this thing is just teasing all the way up. I might close this. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. This thing could take new highs. Might as well try to get a move. Come on, right up through the 880s. Go! That's it. Now keep going. Keep going. I'm going to be mad if this retraces. Oh. I feel like I should take this off. I might be getting greedy here. Come on, go, 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 go! All right, let's trail. We'll trail to stop. For once, one time, can you not stop me out and keep going higher? Come on, go. It won't, it's not going to do it. I already know it. I know this isn't going to do it. It's going to pull back and stop me out, and then it's going to keep going. These are the things we know. Go. Come on, come on. Don't do it. Yeah. And we're stopping out. Wah, wah, wah. And we're stopped. You suck, market. You suck. You absolutely suck. It's fine. It's fine. We had a good, that was a good trade. No hard feelings, market. No hard feelings. We're just gonna buy the small pool. Whoa, 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 check. Whoa, what was that? What was that, chat? Do we buy this? Might actually have missed the opportunity to buy there. Hey, Uriel, good morning. The Storms were to put together another aquarium. Are you serious, John? You got another aquarium now? Let's go. Oh, that dip there was a pretty decent entry long. But man, has this price been stagnant? I'm buying again. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. This time, we're gonna break it. We're gonna break it. Go! We're gonna retest the 900s. We're gonna do it, chat. We're gonna do it. Rip it! Go! Go! Please don't pull back now. Just rip it straight up. Come on. It's trying to be difficult. Have no fear. Come on. Come on. I might need to just close this. It's being sluggish. Come on. Come on. Rip it. Come on. Give me the 900s again. Do it. Do it. Don't make me close this. Don't make me close. Gosh, I'm afraid I'm going to regret this. No. Oh my word, are you kidding me? I got to stop being greedy. I have to stop being greedy. This is so bad. Oh my word. Oh, what? Oh, this is, I cannot believe that. No way. Are we actually going to get cooked here? That is so bad. Should have taken my profits. Should have taken my profits. It's my own fault. What an idiot. Should have taken my profits. Oh, it's so annoying. I guess we got to try to salvage this. Get me out of this. One trade, one time. Yeah, we're cooked. I don't like. Maybe. Please don't let me be greedy again. Man, this is crazy. I might have to just close this and go. Ay. I mean, I feel like the longs are still like the right move here. I feel like the longs are still good, but we failed to make new highs. I'm talking myself out of this trade really quickly. Come on, just take me out. Take me out. You know what? I'm out. I am out. I give up. I give up. I give up. I don't want to trade this. This is probably going to make new highs. It's probably going to get up through the 900s now and go make new highs. Yeah, go figure. You stupid market. Jeez. Get back to MNQ, start taking some off with multiple targets. Yeah, Thumper. I mean, I usually I guess I could do it, but these are evals. Usually I like trading minis with evals, but I don't know. Honestly, today, I feel like today we actually would have been totally fine if we just take our profits. Like, if we just take our $300-400 profits, we would be fine. I was trying to hold for target, and we kept getting stopped out. Is what it is. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I agree, Thumper. If these were funded accounts, I definitely would have done that. I don't really want to trade two minis, and I hate trading 5 or 10 micros. Just, I don't know. The commissions are insane. I'm not a huge fan of doing 10 micros, but I mean, in hindsight, that might have been the better move. All right, back down we go. I'm not interested. I'm no longer interested in this. Let's make those red accounts turn green. I'm going to try, Jonathan. It's greed. Yeah, I mean, it's like a combination of greed, but it's also like if you have a really good target, I don't think it's greed to try to hold till you reach your target. Like, I try to, like, I don't know. There's so many times where I enter a trade and I have a target and I prematurely take my target, or I take my profit prematurely, and it goes right to my target. So, you know, I don't know. Weren't you supposed to be on Trades by Matt today? No, that is on Friday. So, by the way, chat, this coming Friday, I'm going to be a special guest on Trades by Matt's stream. So, that should be fun. Should be a good time. Wow, look at that. Right back up. I mean, we got to make new highs here, right? We have to. Feel like we have to. Oh my word. I forgot my clock. Sorry, chat. I forgot the clock this morning. No wonder we've been struggling. Mooker on Twitter always reminds me of the clock. Oh, it's so bad. Mooker's funny. I'm starting to think my questions aren't showing up. Captain Crunch, what? Oh, sorry, I wasn't reading. I thought if I swing a few micro overnight, it would get well above 30K by opening. I was wrong. Did you remember to give an Apex gift card to your niece's wedding? No, I did not. That would be funny though, Captain Crunch. They would have opened that gift and be like, Apex Trader Funding, what's that? They would have been so confused. They would have been so confused. Apex has gift cards? No, I don't think so. It means something called League of Legends. What? Man, this price action today is so bad. Look at the overnight session. Overnight session was more active than it was this morning. Crazy. I mean, I feel like the play here is just to buy at this bottom of this channel. I mean, I guess I could buy again here. I just, you know what? We're going to scalp. We're going to trade the range, chat. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? Just trade the range. How hard can it be? It can be hard. Hmm. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Come on, please don't. I've had so many times today. It has done this all day long. Come on. You kidding me? It like goes right to my target but doesn't hit it. So annoying. So annoying. I'm kind of over it. Oh my word. Woo. Hey, Big Tick Energy. You are welcome. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Big Tick Energy. I love to hear that. That's why ICT says not to trade 6 months before. Benjamin, that's too funny. That's too funny. ICT says not to trade 6 months before and 6 months after CPI. Oh man, that's tough. That is a tough look, man. It's like twiddling my thumbs for a year. Just when you think you can enter a trade, oh, there's the CPI again. Oh, okay, market. I find this not funny at all. Unbelievable. I'm getting so annoyed. Oh, do I? Unbelievable. I'm getting so annoyed. Chat, make it stop. Somebody make it stop. Okay, fine. We're doing it. One last time for the road. One for the road. What could go wrong? Come on. We might be cooked here. We dug out of the hole only to dig right back into it. That is... I'm so over this. This is gonna dump now, isn't it? Unbelievable. Oh, snap. This is problems. Oh, my word. Okay, what do we want to do here? This is so annoying. We couldn't hit my target by 1 tick. Or maybe 2 ticks. And now we might blow these accounts. Last ditch effort. I think I'm going to go for it. I'm going to, either this is going to bounce and hold, or we are going to just rip this account. Unbelievable. This does not look good, chat. And we're cooked. Ah! Unbelievable. I might have to lock out my other accounts. I'm getting so annoyed. Stupid market. Unbelievable. Gosh, that's so annoying. I just had a 80 point, 100 point dump. Oh, sucks. All right, let's, I mean, I don't know. It could bounce at the 780s, I guess. I'm not really interested. I'm not gonna knife catch this. Oh, and I don't really want to trade. I don't want to trade. I'm gonna switch to micros. I'm gonna switch to micros. I'm gonna switch to the Apex accounts. I'm gonna see if we test the 780s. I'm gonna try along. But we got to be careful here. I can't be. I cannot be doing anything stupid. Gosh, that annoyed me. That was literally the second time on those accounts that I literally was a couple ticks away from my take profit, and then it just dumps. Oil is going back up. ES also bigger pullback. Really? Now you're going to go higher? What a jerk. What an absolute jerk. I want to see if it tests the 780s. Come on, rip it. We gotta, come on, just go. I'm starting to second guess my decision here to go long. Uh-oh. Man, I might need to get out of this. I'm starting to not like this trade at all. 780 has to hold. Not looking good. This is where we got to bounce. If we do, come on, rip it. We got to get above the 800s again. Got to get above the 800s right here. Do it. Just rip this thing straight back up. Do it. Come on, just rip it. No. We can get, if we can close above the 800s on this candle, I think we're good. Okay, right here. Right here. Do it. Oh my goodness. It can't do it. This is so annoying. The longer this struggles to get above that 810, 820, the longer, the bigger issue we might have. Okay, right here now, rip it. Rip it. I honestly might close this. I might close this for break even. I don't like those wicks. I do not like it. This candle close is going to be a determining factor on if I keep this trade open or not. We gotta close above that 810. Come on. Go. Pop it. I mean, it's an option. I'm going to put a stop here, and if we get stopped out, I'm going to quit. If we can rip it here, great. And we're stopped. I give up. I officially give up on this. This is... Oh, look at that. Gosh, you are so annoying, market. Whew. I mean, what is this? We literally come down and stop me out and rip it right back up. This market wants to trigger me today. I can tell. It wants me to get triggered. Wow. Looks like getting out was okay. Was the right move. Maybe. Yeah, this price action's kind of crazy. Not a big fan. Not a big fan at all. Like whatsoever. Not even in the slightest. It looks like we want to make continue lower. It looks like she wants to keep going lower. This is just not really anything to do here. Tempting. Why don't props ever move me live, or do they? Lucid are moving after one payout now. Rob Strawford, what do you like? They moved you after one payout? They don't move you after one payout unless you have already taken a bunch of payouts from prior accounts. Hmm. Nutty, I'm at 5 Lucid accounts already, and I'd like to offer the giveaway I won last week to someone else in the chat. Oh, wow. Sure, Captain Crunch. That's we can do that. If you, Captain Crunch, do you have the code? If you have the code, feel free to just send it to someone else. But yeah, feel free. That's great. Okay, here we go. Making new lows. Not on the day, but right now, down below that 770. Maybe we go take out that 680 level. Man, I'm disappointed in myself. I should have known, like, there were definitely signs here not to go long. The fact that we failed to make new highs. Got a little bit too biased. Thought for sure we would at least test the 900s again, but we didn't. The literally high of the day, the high of the session right now is literally 29,900. Crazy. They're just trolling us at this point. This is too much pressure. I want a Nutty to decide. Sorry, Captain Crunch. I mean, it's your account. You're free to do with it what you want. You must have a trade that results in at least one element. Oh, wow. Look at this. Right back up. Ugh. Yeah, it's lunch. The markets just die. This is where it's difficult to trade. I feel like the day is over. Sucks. I don't. This is where I feel like this is where experience and just this is where you need to lock out and walk away. Find a hobby, walk away from the markets. This is usually where it's just ugly. It's ugly and not a fan. Nutty doesn't remember. Remember what? Remember what? I didn't email you for the code, so I don't have the code. Oh, okay, Captain Crunch. If you don't have the code, then I will just let me look. Let me see. If I'm going to do some 24-hour live streams or some evening streams, I do want to do it, Frosty Ducks, but I don't want to. Yeah, I want to wait until we have some, I don't know, like some kind of, hoping we get some good price action to do it, which is kind of hard to predict. But right now, the best time for me to do the 24-hour stream, I got to look at I got to see. I do want to do it in the next 2 weeks. I want to do it. It goes to the person with the same first name as Nutty. We'll just, if it's okay with you, Captain Crunch, next time we do a giveaway, yeah, I'll just include it. I'll include that code. I only have 4 more codes with Lucid to do a giveaway, but we can we'll do a giveaway and include that code. Unless Captain Crunch, you want to give it to someone specific, you just let me know. Because you did earn it. You did earn the code fair and square. The code is also good for, I think 30 days. So it's up to you. It's totally up to you. Can you do a spin wheel contest with the people who responded above? Oh man, we're going to have to pause the stream. Oh man. All right, Captain Crunch. I think I got it. I think I got it. And it's only until, hang on. I'm going through the comments. I'm going through the comments, okay? If you comment after Captain Crunch said, I'm just gonna go with the people that commented before this, okay? Just to keep it fair and also make it so it's easier. All right, chat. We're getting close. What are you talking about here? All right. I think I have a list. We're just going to do the spin the wheel. Now, here is who I have that commented. It was Melvin Bryan, Mr. Wall Street, Techniques, Micro Player, Travis, 378, Bobby Diggs, Rad Poker, the Toka, and Trading Alien. So that is who I'm going to put in. Are you? Let me show you the list. Whoops, hang on. Man, this thing is difficult. Man, this market is dumping. Okay, chat. Now again, this is thanks to Captain Crunch, and I mean, just to keep it simple, I'm only doing it with the comments that were in between when Captain Crunch said it and until he said to pick the people that requested. So I don't know, that's the best way I can think of doing it. But these are the names. These are the names. We're going to give away one Lucid Pro account. It's going to be Trading Alien, the Toka, Rad Poker, Bobby Diggs, Travis 378, Micro Player, Techniques, Mr. Wall Street, and Melvin Bryan. Those are the people I have. Hey, you're fine, Captain Crunch. I don't mind. Captain Crunch, it's up to you how you want to do it. Do you want to do the process of elimination where we keep spinning until there's one name left and that one name is who will get the account? Or do you want to spin it one time? Whoever it is, that's the person that gets the account. Let's go, Wall Street. Up to you. However you want to do it, Captain Crunch. Up to you. Do a 30-minute race. Yeah. You know what, Auntie? We have to remind me to do a 30-minute race. When we do a 24-hour stream, we have to do a 30-minute race. That would actually be funny. Okay, let's do the elimination. I like that, Captain Crunch. I like the elimination. Okay, chat, here we go. We are going to do the process of elimination. That means You do not want to be selected. If you are selected, you are removed. The last name standing will get the account. All right? Good luck, everybody. And here we go. She's a spinning. Oh, please. No, red poker. Sorry, red poker. And red poker has been eliminated. Here we go. Next spin. Who's gonna be marked safe? Uh-oh. It looks like the Toka. The Toka 12 is removed. Sorry, man. Better luck next time. Here we go. Now we're down to 7. It's... Who's it gonna be? Uh-oh. Techniques. Not looking good, Techniques. I'm sorry. Techniques, you're out of here. Thanks for playing. Better luck next time. Here we go. Down to 6. Down to 6. Uh-oh. Oh, it's going to be Travis 378. Travis 378. See you later. Thanks for playing. And then there were 5. Here we go, chat. Here we go. Uh-oh. Trading Alien. Trading Alien is out. Thanks for playing. Oh, it's getting down to the nitty-gritty. And then there were 4. We've got Bobby Diggs, Micro Player, Mr. Wall Street, and Melvin Bryan. Oh, boys. Who's it gonna be? Oh, here we go. Oh, no. Here we go. Oh, it looks like Micro Player. Oh, it's going to be Micro Player. Micro Player is out. Thanks for playing. Oh, and then there were 3. Oh, good luck, everybody. Here he goes. And then there were 3. Oh, it's going to be Bobby Diggs. It's all coming down to Mr. Wall Street and Melvin Bryan. Oh, sorry, Micro Player. Mr. Wall Street and Melvin Bryan for the win. Here we go. Oh, I'm actually nervous. I'm nervous. If Wall Street doesn't win this, he might crash out, chat. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Oh, boy. Here we go. Here we go. It's too close to call. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's going to be Melvin Bryan. I'm sorry, Mr. Wall Street. Oh, no. Oh, there it is. It's rigged. We rigged it all the way to the end. Congratulations, Melvin Bryan. Congratulations. Congratulations. Melvin Bryan is officially in, and Mr. Wall Street is crashing out. Oh, gosh. Hang in there, Mr. Wall Street. One of these days, it's going to be your turn. I promise. Oh, man, you hate to see it. You hate to see it, man. Oh. All right. All right. Melvin Bryan, do you have my email? Melvin Bryan, send me an email, nuttybar1983@gmail.com, and I'll get you that code. Again, big shout out. Thank you, Captain Crunch. Thank Captain Crunch for sharing his code. And that was fun. That was fun. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, Wall Street. Oh, man, that's tough. That's tough. You know what? You know what, Captain Crunch? We will do my Mr. Wall Street. Remind me the next time we have a giveaway, we will do an automatic entry for Mr. Wall Street for his troubles. All right, for his pain and suffering that he just endured. Mr. Wall Street, we'll give him an automatic entry into the next giveaway. All right. Remind me, Mr. Wall Street, because I'm probably going to forget. Remind me. Oh, all right. This market is a big old doo-doo. Not a big fan. Not a big fan, chat. I am not a big fan. I think this is just going to bleed lower. We're just slowly bleeding out, and just, I don't really have a desire to trade this. I have no desire to trade this. Man, there are storms moving through the area like crazy. It is pouring down rain again. Wow. Guess we'll be chilling. You're welcome, Wall Street. Remind me. Remind me. Make sure I don't forget. Okay, I think I don't know, Chad. I hate to call it. I really was planning. I wanted to have a long stream. I can't. I just, if I keep sitting in front of this computer, I just don't know that I want to trade. I don't really want to trade this. Honestly, I'm going to trade. I might trade tonight. I'm not kidding. If tonight I don't have anything going on after like 9 o'clock, and if tonight at 9 o'clock the market is moving, like, could you type your email? Yes. If tonight the market is moving, I am going to. I'm gonna stream and trade. There you go, Melvin. I don't know that I'll do a 24-hour stream, but I'll stream maybe from 9 o'clock till midnight. Something like that. Who knows? Just depends how the market's acting, but this market here is just, I don't like this at all. I mean, it feels like the market's just going to slowly bleed lower into new lows, but I'm not really that excited about taking shorts. I feel like this thing could just, it could just rip higher, and then we're in, you know, I just don't want to do it. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the trade day accounts. I'm not going to be too, I don't know. I might pause on the trade day accounts. I need to focus on, I need to trade. Actually, what is the inactivity rule on Tradeify? What is the inactivity rule on Tradeify? Because I do need to, I think Tradeify has a 1 week or 5 trading days inactivity rule. So I got to make sure I trade those. I don't want to do anything stupid. That has to be like one of the worst ways to lose an account is inactivity. That's, to me, kind of dumb. Especially 1 week. 1 week is not a long time. Kind of sus. But I think it's 1 week. All right, chat. I'm going to call it. I am going to call it here. There's nothing to do. That this thing is dead. I'm going to go. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go take a nap. I'm going to try to take a really long nap today. Maybe I'll sleep until 4 or 5 o'clock. And then I can stream during the overnight session. Not a bad idea. Hey, thank you, Captain Crunch. Thank you. We're in a double horn devil cell signal in the boom boom. Francis, that sounds terrible. All right, Melvin, I got you. All right, chat. We will be back maybe later tonight. So I'm going to call it, and we will be back. If not tonight, we'll be back in the morning. And I hope everybody has a great rest of your day. And trade well, stay green, and take care, and God bless.